In this video, let us understand how to install XAMPP web server and configure for Python web applications or Python web application projects. So particularly XAMPP is basically for PHP, but still we can use for Python. So what is XAMPP? So XAMPP is the most popular web development environment. It's completely free, easy to install web server along with MariaDB and PHP. So wherein PHP is the language, web application language, and MariaDB, earlier we called as a MySQL, is a database software. So particularly we call it as a RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. So therefore this is a database. So it provided with the database called as a MySQL or MariaDB. So MySQL once is purchased by the Oracle, the original version, so then they called as a MariaDB, and now it's available with the XAMPP server. And PHP is the language, so web application language. So when you install XAMPP, all this will be get installed. Okay, first we'll install the XAMPP. Later we'll see that how to configure it. So when you have to install, you just go to browser, search for XAMPP, select the XAMPP. So it'll take to the Apache friends.org. This is the organization. So therefore right click on this and then open in a new tab. So here you can see that XAMPP. So it will have Apache, MariaDB, PHP and then Perl. Anyway, you're not going to use the Perl, no problem. But what is XAMPP? XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. So now to download, so here is the XAMPP for Windows 8.0. So let us download this version. So it's totally 157 MB. So once it's downloaded, we can run the file to install XAMPP server in our system. Fine. So now it is done. So we can open this. Say yes. So Windows 64-bit. So it's read that it seems that you are running antivirus. In some cases, this may slow down the interface installation software. Please visit the following link. Antivirus. Okay, we can continue with this. Okay. So welcome to XAMPP Setup Wizard. So here you can choose what are the options we want. Okay, so Perl we don't want. Tomcat let be there. Mercury mail server we don't want. FileZilla, FTP server. Okay, let it be there. PHP MyAdmin, and then web analyzer we don't want. Fake sendmail we don't want. Fine. Now we'll run this. So where you want to install? C: XAMPP folder. Or you want to change the folder? You can change the folder. So language English. Then go to next step. Next. So now it's unpacking files and it's installing. So completing the XAMPP setup. So now it's completed. So you can open the control panel, click OK. So here is the control panel, exam control panel. So to run the server, you need to start the server. So if you want MySQL, then you need to start the MySQL. Right. And then to run the Python applications, we need to configure. I'll show like how to configure to run Python web applications. Start the exam server. To start, search for exam. So here is a control panel. So click on this. There's some errors, 1 minute. And one more line is important. That is print content type. The content type is text slash HTML. Then use slash n slash r slash n slash r. Now we can say print you are welcome. And now save this. So in this there is one more configurations. So click on this config, go to this, and you can search for index. Okay, so search for index.html. So here you can see that if module, dir module, and then if module. So here in that particular folder, if any of this file present, it should open. Okay. So in the at the end, you should add index.py. Index.py. So this is the second change. The first one is add handler. So here we need to add .py. That's the first thing. Second one, so you need to add index.py. First search for index.html. So in this you need to add at the end index.py. So two things we need to make changes. Then close this. Now we made a file index.py. So now you have to run this. You have to go to localhost / web app1. Enter. You can see that you are welcome. So the message is printing here. So it means that it's working now. Now I'll show you a small application. It's the banking application. So now to use this, first we'll go to phpMyAdmin. So this is a localhost / phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is to access the SQL server. Sorry, not here. Right. So here I created a banking database. In that there is a table called as a login tab. So inside the login tab you have admin and admin. Now you can see here C:XAMPP, and here is HTTP docs. So I have application, so web application, banking administration. So this is the web application. Now in order to run this, I'll just go there and I'll type banking administration 2021, enter. Here is the main page. Get into site, you have admin login here. So when I enter admin, this will verify with the SQL server and then it will take to the main page. I'll just show you the code, what code is required to check login. So here is this, this is the path, Python path. Then here is the print content type. Then import MySQL connector, import CGI field storage to form 1 get value text 1, form 1 get value text 2. This user ID and password will read to T1 and T2. From there we'll connect to the SQL server and then select username from admin login table where user ID is T1 and password is T2, and we'll check this, we'll execute the query. If it is present, then we'll allow to get into the next page. Otherwise we'll say admin login, we'll send back to the admin login again. Okay, this is how it works. So now we are installed exam server and now we are running, and even SQL server is running. So please try this and let me know what you're thinking. Please write it in the comment box. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, so please subscribe to our channel. So open the browser, open YouTube, then type iBlix tutorials and search for it. So you'll get iBlix tutorials, and here is a subscribe button. Please subscribe. Then go to videos. You can see that a lot of videos available, and we have many projects, and also you can learn Python and VB.NET both here. So just browse them. Probably you will be interested in one other video. Please watch the video and please write the comment. Thank you very much.